Hello, welcome to this segment. So, right about now, we're going to look at how to customize our WordPress website. And this is a very, very important aspect of using WordPress to design our website. So far, we've been looking at content management. How do we use WordPress software to manage content? But what actually makes WordPress unique, okay, is your ability to be able to create, all right, to be able to design things based on what you really want, to be able to take things from the way they are and create it the way you want, change the look and feel, change the appearance, and all what not have you. So that's where customization comes in. All right. So in this video, in this segment, we're going to be looking at how do you use the WordPress software to customize your website and actually give it the look and feel that you really want. Okay. So the first thing we're going to do right now is to hover over the appearance, and then you come down here to customize and you click it. Okay, so here we are. All right, so right here you can see various items at the left hand here, and over here you can see the front end of our website. Okay, and this is the beautiful thing about using the customizer on WordPress. Initially, when we're doing content management, you manage the content at the front end from your dashboard, right? When you want to see how it looks in the front end, you now have to go to the front end, and then we'll just keep going back and forth like that. But using the customizer, you can actually change things from the same page and just see as it is happening, all right, which we are going to be looking at now. So whatever you do right here, you'll just be seeing it as it's happening here in real time. Okay, so right about now, let's just look at how to use these various items on this side of the window. So the first thing you have here is the title, all right, of our website. It says you are customizing Create WordPress, which is the title of our website. And then down over here, you can see the name of the theme. It tells you active theme, which is the name we have here, all right, and you can of course change it here by just clicking change, all right, and you change it. So we'll come to that, later, how to use themes on WordPress. Now coming over here, you have the site identity. So the site identity is your site title, right? It shows your site title, the tagline, and also the site icon. This is from where you can actually change them, and even your logo. Okay, so you want to select a logo, you just click here, and it brings you to the media library. Okay, if you want to use a picture that is not already in your media library, you just go to upload files. Okay, and you select, so it takes you to where you can actually select a logo. So we just take this. Okay, so there is it is. You can select and you can crop it. All right, you can move it around, crop it to the size that you actually want. And it's either you say crop image or you skip cropping. Okay, you just go skip cropping, and see our logo has come right here, and over here you have the logo. All right, so we have a logo there. Okay. All right, so we have our logo up there and running. You can see, as like I said, whatever you do right here, you just see it there immediately on your front end. Okay, and whatever change you make, you see this publish button here. You can just come there and click on publish. That's the way to save your work using this customizer. Okay, you publish it, you save it by publishing it. Okay, now if you want to remove the logo, maybe you don't like the logo you put, you can come here, click remove, all right, or change it. So if you just click this one, see it goes out. Okay, it goes out. So but I will not save it. I'll just leave it that way. So if you want to put it back, just go back there again, select it, keep cropping, and we have it right there. Okay, now here use the site title. In this box you can put your site title. So our site title is already there, but if you want to change it, you can change it right here, or you can just come here and click on it. Okay, click on this pencil that you are seeing here. See, as you hover your mouse over it, see what it's telling you. It says click to edit this element, or you can just click it. As you click on it, you see it brings your blinking cursor over here. All right, all those pencil icons you are seeing here, they are actually indicating to you that you can edit anything from here by just clicking on the pencil. Once you click on it, it will initiate the editing process at this side. Okay, you can see all this pencil stuff here shows that you can edit them. All right, so that's for the site title. The next thing is the tagline. All right, the tagline is like a mission statement, whatever that you usually that you can attach to your business name. For example, when you hear MTN, everywhere you go, right? Or LG, life is good. All right, so that is what you call your tagline. Okay, so we have our tagline here. Okay, then on this place you see display site title and tagline. So you can see it is checked. That's why you have it displayed. But if you don't want it displayed, you can just uncheck it. See, it has gone out. All right, so once you check it, it comes back there. Okay, so the next thing we have here under the site identity is the site icon. The site icon is this small picture you're seeing here. All right, so if you want to select it, you can just click on it. It takes us to the media library. Okay, like I said before, you can always upload if you don't have it in your media library. Okay, so let's still use this. Select. Let's see. Select. Okay, so you can see the challenge we're having there is the picture we're trying to select does not match with the specification. You can see it says site icon should be square and at least 512 by 512 pixel. So the picture we're trying to select does not meet with the specification. All right, so if you want to put a site icon there, you must ensure that it meets with that specification. Okay, so when we're done with this site identity, you can publish, and then let's continue. So the next thing here is colors and dark mode. So as you can see, you can change the color here. So select color. You can see here, this is the color of the background we have here. Let's choose something else. You can see as you click on the different points on the color layer here, it changes the color we have on the background. See? So click on a different place, it changes it. So you can actually customize it to match your brand. All right, the color of your company, you can choose whatever color is there. If you want to put it in dark mode, you just click this and it brings it in dark mode. All right, or you can uncheck it, it changes. Okay, so I think we can just do this. All right, so when you're done, you publish, you go back. The next thing there is background image. Background image, as you can see, we don't have any image on the background here. Okay, so let's see. If you want an image to be on the background, you just go to your media library. Let's try and select that, choose image. You can see it has placed that image on the background. All right, has placed the image you selected on the background, and you can use any image to put on your background. Quite nice, right? Okay, and you can right here you can move, you can change, you can remove it, you can change the image. Okay, if you don't like the image that is there. All right, so here we have default, fill screen, fit screen, repeat, custom. So right now it's on default. If you put it on fill screen, it changes, right, and fills the screen. So the image is not moving. All right, it's just the items on the screen that is moving. Then you can also change it fit to screen. You can see it's fitted to screen. Okay, you can choose another one, repeat. So it's not fitted to the screen, but it's just repeating itself. Okay, and then custom. You see that? So I think I like this fill to screen better. Yeah, I think I like this. So here it says image position. You can use these arrows right here to change the image position. This one is to the left, this one is to the right, this one brings it down, all right, this one moves it diagonally. Okay, so you can do whatever you want to do there. Okay, I think just remove it. So if you want to remove it, just click on the remove and it removes it. All right, so publish. So let's go back and continue. The next thing there is menus. So you click on it. It's just like we worked on the menus when we're doing content management. So from here you can actually work on the menus that you have, right, which is this. Remember how we changed that? So if you want to create see your menu, you can just click with my menu. You can see what we have on our menu. We have our home page, which is this, and we have our sample page, which is this. If you want to reorder it, you click reorder. Right, so you could take this up. See, it has reordered it. The sample page came before the home page, and you can also bring it down, the order changes, and you click done. All right, now if you want to add an item, you can just click add item, and your different pages comes up here. Remember, menus are place holds for different pages. So, and we actually use it to facilitate navigation or movement from one side of our site to the other. So if you want to add a menu, you can just come here and add another one. Let's use this, my new page. So you see it has added there. Okay. So you can see it here, my new page that's added there. All right. Now also we can change the position of this menu, all right, from here. Now if we want this to go up instead of down here, we'll just come here and uncheck this. See, it has gone out from here, and then check this primary menu. So when you go up, you see it has come up at the top of the page. All right, so that's for menu. You can actually change it from here. When you're done, publish to save it. All right, let's continue. Now if you also want to view the menu locations, you can view it from here. Okay, that's my menu, right? It's on the primary location now. All right, you can also change it from here. All right, let's move on. And the next thing is widgets. Remember, we worked on widgets before. So the widgets are these items you are seeing here. They are tools that you can use to do different things. This one is for searching your blog posts. This one is another widget that tells you the recent posts, recent blog post. This is the calendar widget, and this is the recent comment widgets. Okay, so you can also change them from here. All right, now you edit each one by clicking this arrow down here. You can give it a title right here and search. You see, it has changed. You want to give it another title, it has changed. All right, you can remove. You don't like it, all right, you can just click remove. See, it removes that search from there. All right, it removes it. And if you want to add it back, you just go to add a widget, and it brings out all the widgets you have. Let's look for that search. Look at it right here. You click on it. See, it has brought it back. Okay. And another thing, you can actually reorder the position, all right, from here by just clicking reorder. All right. So remember, this one was up somewhere initially, so we can move it up and still move it up. Okay, that's come up right here. If we still want to move it up further, see, it has come to the normal position it was before. So you can do all that right here. So whatever one, when you are done with the reordering, you click done. All right, and anyone you want to change, just go there, change it. All right, for example, this one is okay, this is the comment, recent comment. All right, you can change the title here, and you can also select or change the number of comments that you want it to show right here. Okay, so when you're done, click done. So that's all there is about the widgets here. When you are done, you click on publish. We continue. So the next thing is homepage settings. Homepage settings. So right here, the only thing you need to do is to choose how the homepage is displayed. All right. Do you want to have your latest posts, or you want to have a static page? Okay. For example, here we have the latest posts as the home page, but if you want to change it, you just click on this static page. All right, so you select which of the pages you want to be there. All right, home page, you can select which of the page. Let's say, for example, my new page. I select that. So you can see that page we created. It is now the home page. So that's all there is about this home page setting. You can choose which page you want to display as your home page right there. So here you have your latest posts. All right. So when you're done, publish. But let's change this to static page. All right, publish. So the next thing here is excerpts. Excerpt settings. Now, what you have here is on archive pages post show. Pages post show. All right. What do you want to have as excerpt? Remember, I would say excerpt is like summary or abstract for your blog posts. Okay, when you see the list of your posts, it doesn't show everything, but it will just show that summary, all right, that somebody can read, and if the person is interested and want to learn further, they can now open it. All right, so do you want a summary, or do you want the full text as your excerpt? But summary is always better, so we'll leave it that way. And the last thing there is additional CSS. All right, this one is when you want to add some little coding, all right, to your site, but this is beyond the scope of this course for now, so we're just going to leave that. All right, and then one more thing is that right here you have different views. You can see these three icons here. This one is for desktop, this one here is for tablets, and this one here is for a mobile phone. All right, so if you want to see the view we have here is how it appears on desktop. because we're using the desktop right now. All right. If you want to see how it appears on a tablet, you can just click on it. See, it reduces the size. And if you want to see it on a mobile phone, you click on that one. It shows you how it will appear on a mobile phone. All right. So you can see the different views on different devices. All right. So there's one more thing I'd like to show us. Let's just see. Okay, now coming to this publish, all right, if you click on this icon you're seeing here, it will bring different options for publishing. Either you publish immediately, or you save as draft if you don't want to publish immediately, or you can schedule a particular date that you want it published. Right? Maybe you've made your changes and you don't want to publish it immediately. Maybe you want to publish at the beginning of the month. All right, so that your clients or your audience can start seeing your change at a particular time. You could schedule it, set the dates, right, and time that the change is going to go live. All right, so that's what you do right here. Okay, so let's publish. Click publish immediately, publishes it immediately. Okay, so that's all there is to it about customizing. All right, so in the next segment we're going to be looking at how to work with themes. So I'll see you.